Hello everybody and welcome. In this video, we'll look at 4 ways to create links using Excel. Let's get right into it. For starters, in case you're unfamiliar with links, the way it works is links have 2 parts, the source and the destination. When the source changes, so will the destination, and that's about as complicated as it gets. The good news is links are very easy to create. So in Excel, there are 4 ways to create links: cell to cell, sheet to sheet, file to file, and app to app. Say Excel into PowerPoint. Let's start with cell to cell. For this example, we have this basic budget and a grand total of our assets right here. And let's say we want to use or display this grand total somewhere else on our sheet. And let's say over here. To create our link, first click on a blank cell, type an equal sign, then go over to your source, which in this case is located in cell F9, click it, press your Enter key, and there you go. These 2 cells are now linked. Now, when the source changes, so will the content of the linked cell. Next, let's talk about how to link sheet to sheet. Suppose in this case, we want to use the total of our assets on another sheet. To create our link, let's first jump over here onto the destination sheet, click on a cell, let's say this one right here. Next, we'll type an equal sign. From there, we'll navigate over to our source. We'll click on it, press our Enter key, and these 2 cells are now linked. Just to test it, let's change our numbers real fast. And it looks like things are working. Awesome. Moving on, let's talk about how to create links between files. The first step is to open both files that you want to use. Then, after they're opened, go up here and click on where it says View, Arrange All, Tiled, then click OK, and that will place your files next to each other. From here, we just need to build our link. So to begin, let's go over here into our destination file, and to create our link, we'll type an equal sign. Next, we'll glide over to the source file and click on the cell we want to use. From there, just press your Enter key, and now you have a link between the files. Just for fun, let's change our numbers just to make sure everything works. And check it out, not too bad. The last one we'll look at is linking from app to app. Let's say from Excel into PowerPoint. For this demonstration, we'll use a chart since it's easier to see. So to create our link, let's first copy the chart from Excel, then jump over to PowerPoint, and then once we're in PowerPoint, go up and click where it says Paste, Paste Special, Paste Link, and click OK. Now we have a linked chart between PowerPoint and Excel. So if we go back to Excel and change our data, the chart will obviously update in Excel. And if we jump over here to PowerPoint, the chart has updated as well. Not too bad, pretty cool. One final word of caution. If you ever create links going from file to file or app to app, please do your best to not move the location of the source file, because things will not cooperate when you go to open the file containing the links, since it will look in a last known location of the source file. And if it can't find the source file, it's going to get a little angry, and we don't want to deal with that. Okay, and that'll do it. We hope you've liked this video, and we will see you in the next one.